Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech Page. Lot of iPhone users are reporting that CarPlay not playing Amazon Music. It says unable to connect to Amazon Music. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1 is turn off your EQ music settings. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on Music. Find and tap on EQ. Here you have to select off. If any other option has selected, then try to play the Amazon Music. Solution 2 is check CarPlay restrictions. To do this, open Settings app. Here tap on Screen Time. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Allowed Apps. Make sure that you have turned on CarPlay. If it's off, turn it on. If already on, turn off and on it. Solution 3 is disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and enable them. First, open Control Center, disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then restart your iPhone. To restart, go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to right side to turn off your iPhone. Wait for few seconds and turn it back on. Once you turned on your device, open Control Center and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Solution 4 is first restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 series and iPhone SE second generation. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the sleep or wake button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 6s Plus and earlier models, press and hold the home button and side or power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Solution 5 is reset all settings. Resetting the all settings resets your all customized settings to default settings like notifications, wallpaper, Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth devices and ringtone, but no data or media will be deleted like photos, messages and mails. To do this, go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. Next, it will be prompted to enter the passcode of your iPhone. Then tap Reset all settings in the pop-up window. Again tap on Reset all settings to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech Page.